Hey guys, I have a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HT LTZ, and I was getting the tires rotated at the dealership whenever I was getting the oil change and all that. But I just decided to start doing my own oil changes and rotate my own tires. And when I would rotate them, I would actually lose the position, and I looked everywhere because I have a 2000 Corvette, and you can do it with a magnet. You don't have to have the tool. Apparently on this one, I can't figure out how to do it without the tool. If somebody knows how to do it without the tool, please tell in the comments down below, because I've not been able to figure it out. So what I did is I went on Amazon and I bought the tool. It was like $17. Well, after I did the rotation the other day, I had to leave town. I had to go to Texas, and I called 2 different tire shops along the way, and I asked them, told them what I did. I rotated my tires, and thinking that they might do it as a courtesy. Well, it wasn't, but the thing about it wasn't that bad. I asked what they would charge to do it, and they said, one guy said $20, second guy said $20. The tool's $17 on Amazon. That's kind of a no-brainer, since I'm gonna be doing it regular myself. So anyway, what I got is this tool right here, Vxdas GL-50448. I do not know if it'll work on the older ones like my Corvette. So yeah, there's the tool. In comparison, in my hand, not very big. Doesn't really feel like much when you hold it. It's really light. Does not come with a battery. Pop your battery in, and it's got the positive, negative all in there. And then if you put it in right, which I didn't the first time, you push the button, the little light starts blinking. Okay, there's tons of videos on YouTube on how to do this. I was just doing just showing the the actual Relearn tool that I bought. And a friend of mine also asked me how to do it, so this so they can look at it and see how I did mine. Alright, you see on there it's showing 73 and 73 on the right, 71 and 72 on the left. Okay, now I've already done the rotation. You get it on that screen and push and hold the center button till the horn honks twice. It comes up, tire learn active. Then you'll see the parking light is lit up on this side. It's not lit up on any of the others. Push the button, hold it right there. Now you go and find the next lit up turn signal, which is right here. You notice it's not lit up on the other side. It is lit up right here. I come around. You only have a certain amount of time to do it in, but seems to be plenty. There's the next one. Then we come to the back of the truck. You'll see that tail light's lit up. That one's not. So then we come to right here. Now that one's out, and this one's on. So I come right here. Then you'll hear the 2 honks to let you know that you're done. And now we come back and look, and you'll see it's 73 and 73 is on the left now. 71 and 71's on the right. Guess that would change a little bit while we're doing that. Anyway, that was just me wanting to share the experience I have with that tool. Like I say, it's cheap off Amazon. Who knows how long it'll last? Maybe forever. I mean, it seems kind of durable. It's just light, But yeah, so far it works great. Well worth the money. If I get to use it twice, it'll pay for itself and then some. So yeah, hope everybody's having a good day. See you guys again soon.